where Logar flows, moors and mosses bonny. The wintry sun, the day has closed, and I know in Anio. The westland wind blows loud and sure, the night spits milk and rainy. I'll get my blade, and oat I'll steal, and o'er the hills to Anio. My Nanny's charming, sweet, and young, nay, artful whilst he win ye. May ill befall the flattering tongue that would beguile my Nanny. Her face is fair, her hair 'tis true, as spotless as she's bonny. The opening gown wet with dew, ne purer is than Annie. Our old man delights Tevio, his sheep and kite thrive bonny, but I'm as blithe at Otis plough, and has nae care but Nanny. Come weal, come woe, I care not, I'll tak what hen will send me, nay other care in life I, but live and love my